All right, what's up, computer art students? Welcome to the very last video tutorial. I know what you're saying to yourself. Hooray. Very last thing. What we're going to do is make sure we have our history palette open. So we're going to go to Window, History. Okay, and what we want to do is just make a clone of this document. Okay, so here's all the history we went through, but if we hold the cursor down over these buttons, it should tell us create a new document from current state, create new snapshot, and then the trash. What we want to do is click on this create new document from current state, and what this is going to do is going to create kind of a clone of our document. So there's our first one, here's our clone. We're going to tear this off so that you can have a document just to work off of without altering your Photoshop document. Let's save this one into the save drive as JPEG. So go to File, Save As, and you're going to find the save drive. You may have to save it to either your home or the desktop and drag and drop it into the save drive if you can't find it here. For some reason the network is reading funny, so yeah, I don't see it on there. So save it to the save drive or the desktop and drag and drop it over. That'll be the best bet. Last name first, first name last. Try never to have spaces. Dot basics. Alright, dash basics. And then switch the format to JPEG. Don't save it into autobiographical poster folder. Save it to either the desktop or your home drive or a flash drive. If you have a flash drive, that's the best place to save it. But save it to the desktop, and then we can drag and drop it into the Maple Grove save drive so that I can grade it. Okay, make sure you do that. Click Save. And there you go. Okay, so you have two different copies. Now, things to consider for your original. You may want to change the star, make it your own. What can you do to this to make it unique? And you might even want to think about creating a poster for another teacher. Maybe instead of having yourself in here, get a photo of somehow of a teacher in the building. And I can provide you with photos if you need. I know where they are. You can ask me for one. But for just a portrait of a teacher, or you could ask them. It's always best to get permission. But I think it'd be kind of cool to have these posters around, you know, that kind of display. Maybe they can be displayed in teachers' classrooms. But you know, how can you change up the background? Could you put a different kind of pattern in the background with some different kinds of clouds or some other things happening? Maybe instead of holding a airplane, they could be holding a ruler or whatever you want to do. Make it your own. Change up the design to make it your own. So number one is your copy of the example, and then your second image is you're going to change some of these imagery to make it your own. All right. Good luck. That's it. Have fun.